ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund presents Energy Opportunities Fund. Energy Opportunities Fund is an NFO which has opened on 2nd July and it is going to close on 16th July 2024. So, Energy Opportunities Fund is a open-ended scheme which is following energy theme. So, Energy Opportunities Fund has two portfolios. One is core portfolio and one is satellite portfolio. Coming to the core portfolio, the fund manager invests in companies which are involved in traditional and new energy sector. Coming to the satellite portfolio, the fund manager invests in companies which are supporting energy theme. So, in Energy Opportunities Fund, the fund manager is following quality and value approach. So, in Energy Opportunities Fund, the fund manager is giving preferences to quality businesses with robust free cash outflows and companies which are having good balance sheet strength and companies which are on the outlook of innovative growth strategies. So, coming to the portfolio construct, this is a large cap tilt portfolio with small investments in mid and small cap for alpha generation. The fund manager is Sankar Narain, who is an experienced fund manager. Since this is an NFO, the NAV is available at 10 rupees. People who would like to know more about Energy Opportunities Fund and who would like to invest, they can reach out to us on 99800 12 790. Thanks.